Barramundi is such a versatile fish. You know, it doesn't just have to be served as an entree. It works really well as an appetizer too. Today's recipe is for barramundi bites with chorizo and romesco sauce. It was inspired by my recent trip to Spain, and it makes a killer and unexpected hors d'oeuvre that's bound to be the hit at your next cocktail party. Check out how it's made. Pour olive oil into a heavy skillet and add hazelnuts, cubes of bread, and a whole plum tomato. Toss them around until the nuts and bread are toasted, then remove them to the bowl of a food processor. Add 2 cloves of garlic and some sliced almonds, along with a dried chili pepper. Cook until everything is browned, and then add them to the food processor, along with some roasted red peppers, sherry vinegar, salt, and smoked paprika. And then stream in some extra virgin olive oil as you blend it all up. When it's nice and smooth but still has a little bit of texture, transfer it to a bowl and set it aside. Next, take a fillet of Australis barramundi, pat it nice and dry, then remove the bloodline and cut it into bite-sized pieces. Season them up with salt and pepper. And then add some oil to a heavy bottom skillet, get it nice and hot, carefully add a few pieces of barramundi, but give them some space, you don't want to overcrowd them. Cook until they're golden brown on one side, then give them a flip and remove them from the pan once they're cooked through, and repeat with the remaining pieces. To plate, spoon some romesco sauce onto a platter and spread it out into a thick line. Then use a toothpick to skewer a piece of barramundi along with a piece of thinly sliced Spanish chorizo, and place it on top of the sauce. Repeat with the rest, and then garnish with a piece of flat leaf parsley. Bring it to the table and let the party begin. The tangy and complex romesco is really such a good match for the crispy pan-seared barramundi bites. And that little sliver of chorizo that we squeezed in there, it's meaty and smoky and really makes this appetizer extra special. You know, it's not just perfect for the holiday season, it's perfect for any season. I hope you guys give it a try. Yum.